Shiro. You hear this in travel and history talks. You also see it often on maps and in photos. 城。観光や歴史の話でよく出てくるよ。地図や写真でも見ることが多いね。It is used as a noun. Literally, shiro is a fortified building like a castle or fort. And figuratively, it can mean a stronghold or domain. 昔、人々が町を守るために高い石の壁や櫓を作った建物のこと。比喩では、力が集まっていて簡単に壊せない場所や分野を指すよ。The single kanji means a fortified place or castle. It often reads shiro or jo. You can see it in jokamachi and shiroato. Picture earth and stone walls protecting a town. This castle is very old. この城はとても古いです。この城はとても古いです。We toured the castle. 私たちは城を見学しました。私たちは城を見学しました。Take a photo in front of a castle. 城の前で写真を撮ります。城の前で写真を撮ります。Can I enter that castle? あの城に入ってもいいですか？あの城に入ってもいいですか？ The most common synonyms of the word are yosai and toride. Yosai feels larger and military, while toride can be smaller or a simple defensive spot. They overlap with shiro when talking about defense and protection. The most common antonym of the word is wubobi. While shiro implies protection and strong defense, wubobi means lacking protection or being open to attack.